Hello.
This is cute.
How are you?
Good to see you.
Okay guys, we're spending New Year with my sister. She flew here from Miami with her husband. And we're gonna spend 6-7 days together, one week.
6.
And they rented this beautiful, beautiful villa. Look how beautiful it is.
This area is absolutely insane. Like, I'm just so glad that this is the villa we actually chose at the end of the day.
Absolutely stunning.
Stunning.
Man, you're right, man. Man, how, man?
It was so good on you.
Yeah.
This thing was very good on you.
Oh, go! Putting the head in the water.
Yeah, that's rain too.
Yeah. They shine. Like, they become, what's it called?
Fluorescente. New Year's Eve breakfast.
It's true.
No, maybe make that they think it's funny.
Man, but you guys should get one.
Okay, we'll see.
Yeah. It's like they. Gloria. But in Vietnam, I only drove electric. Yeah, but it's get it, man. It's $8 a day, $10.
Favorite part of this living area is how low and inviting the couch is. It's just so cozy. Come on in. It smells so nice here. I really wish you could smell it. It could be a romantic thing to do with your partner. Espresso machine. We have all the dishes there. Also here, all the utensils. So pretty much anything you queen size bed. Did I say queen? We have a king size bed right here. We have 2 bedside tables on the sides. I think the most special part of the villa is this master bedroom. Oh, master bathroom. It's not even a bathroom, it's a whole spa in the villa. Come with me. Got a cold plunge, we've got a hot tub in here, and we have a whole sauna all in one bathroom. How cool is that? We should definitely check this out. Look at the roof. You get natural sunlight.
No, this was a real fight. It was good fun. I think everybody got what they wanted.
Yeah.
They wanted to see Jake Paul.
But I think he got surprised. He didn't think Joshua would go.
Okay guys, so today we have a whole day excursion and our first stop is in the rice terraces. I'm gonna pin the location. The entrance was like $5 per person, I think. Yeah. It looks pretty nice over here.
So we reached Jatiluwih. It's an amazing location in Bali with amazing views and rice fields and nature and forests. So the day couldn't be better. We had a nice driver taking us here with her sister and her husband, and we're having an amazing time. The 4 of us. It's just the beginning of the day, but it's already amazing. We're probably gonna meet my sister in Vietnam, in Ho Chi Minh, in about a week, so that's crazy too.
That's crazy, like we are having the family meetups around the world, because before we met with his father in Sydney, we met with my parents in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. Now we're spending New Year with my sister in Bali. It's also not something that we could have done before, because you know, from 10-20 years ago, we weren't that friendly with my sister because we were living together and always fighting about something. We have just 3 years difference. And now that we are grown up, we live in different countries, we have separate lives, somehow this kind of unites us, and now we can have an amazing time together, like two couples. It's just incredible. I didn't know that I would be at this point of my life spending such a nice time with my sister.
Yeah, the real luxury is having these memories, creating those moments with loved ones, with your partner, and that's like, you can't put a price on it.
So first thing we are doing after we're getting out of the car is grab some food, and then we're gonna have a lot of energy to see the rice terraces. Yeah, the most important part is never get hungry so that everybody stays happy. I think this is like the local Balinese dish, because before we were wondering what's the Balinese cuisine.
1, 2, 3. Come back.
Yeah.
James is really enjoying.
He's having fun. The road to this waterfall is so far away. So I think it's Banyumala Waterfall we are going. We wanted to go at the same day to another waterfall, to the second fall, but it's so far away, so we decided to do just one. But I've been regretting my choices so far because we are still on the road. Guys, we have been on the road for the last 1 hour. For me, it feels like 1 hour and a half, and we still haven't reached the waterfall. It's so far away, and in the middle of the mountain road, the crazy rain started. It was so scary, and I got sick. And now we're in some kind of crazy traffic because there was a car accident. But look, there is a crazy lake with the mountains, and we are on some kind of very high altitude right now. I don't know how much high we went, but we did so many turns and we went so high. Yeah, I feel pretty sick right now. Okay guys, we've been on the road for a lot of time. There are a lot of scooters going up, that's what I can see. Guys, we are on some kind of crazy altitude. Just now I've seen that, look, we're on the level of the clouds. We've been going up for so long and now we're going down. Finally, we got to the place. Our car seat the entire trip. So this is pretty harsh. This is how we go. And like the access here is really, really difficult to reach. It's like real preserved nature over there. Okay, these are the steps. Wait, it's over there, yeah. Okay, we've almost reached the waterfall. I gotta say it wasn't easy to get here. I don't know where's my sister and her husband. They went first. Okay. I'm not even sure that the camera can really show you this waterfall. This is beautiful. This is incredibly beautiful. Oh my God, Leo is in the water. He said he's not gonna swim, but Leo is in the water. He's over there. Oh my God, it's him. He's in the water. Okay. He was like, no, I'm not getting in the water. Are you crazy? And he's already jumping in. Okay, I gotta change. I was lazy to change into my swimming suit, but now, hey, woo. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Yeah, you can go. James is going to the water too. Okay, they're over there. Wait. Should I come?
Jada actually decided to be adventurous and she decided to go in as well. She's got her support from James. I'm actually surprised she's doing that. She's not that high. This is the maximum zoom.
Water wasn't cold at all. The water was like just refreshing and it's not that deep inside, so I was like, I was a little jealous that guys did it. I was like, okay, the road to get here was so harsh. I was so sick in the car. I was like, this is my one time and only chance. So what's the verdict? Was it worth it?
I don't know, but
You don't know?
yeah, it was.
Are you impressed?
Very impressed. It's
Yeah.
crazy in the middle of the mountains like that.
Yeah, I mean, you get the pretty
And-
nice experience.
The weather was looking terrible on the way to get here, and thankfully it just cleared, and now it's amazing.
Okay, final check.